Hello, welcome to Mastering Fraction Lesson 38. My name is Walter. We are still working with fraction word problem. Straight, let's go to the question. It goes like this. 300 students were registered in class 8. 2 out of 5 of them were girls. If 3 out of 5 of the girls know mathematics, how many girls did not know mathematics? From this question, they give us total number of students, which are 300 students. And also, they gave us the fraction of girls among these 300 students. We will use the fraction of girls to get the number of girls that are registered. So, the total number of students, they are 300. We can get total number of girls by taking the fraction of girls, that is 2 out of 5, multiplied by the number of students, that is 300. We can simplify here by 5, 1 by 5, we got 60. 2 multiplied by 60, we'll get 120. These are number of girls that are registered. Already, we get the number of students, girls that are registered. They are 120. Among these 120 registered girls, 3 out of 5 of them, they know mathematics. So we need to know the girls who didn't know mathematics. First, we are going to find the fraction of girls who don't know mathematics. That is going to be 1, take away the fraction of those who know mathematics. So, fraction of students who don't know mathematics is equal to 1, take away the fraction of girls who know mathematics. That is 3 over 5. We are going to get 1 is the same as 5 over 5. Take away 3 over 5. This will give us 2 over 5. This is the fraction of girls who don't know mathematics. Now, to get the number of girls who don't know mathematics, we are going to multiply by the number of girls registered. So this we are going to multiply by 120. We can simplify here by 5, 1 by 5, it is 24. 2 multiplied by 24, we get 48. So we have 48 girls who don't know mathematics. So the number of girls who don't know mathematics is equal to 48. Hope you understand this word problem. For more video on fraction, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.